hologram.
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Welcome, honest traders, to Trading HD. Let's see what's happening with HoloStock, MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Inc. Wow, what a chart we have right there. As usual, we are in the daily time frame with the volume candle. So the bigger the volume, the bigger the candle. And this candle right here was very interesting when it was being formed because it started to go to the highest part, 2.40, even more, but from there it got completely rejected and entered into the bearish territory, creating I don't know which consecutive red candle in this daily chart. It's wow, it's insane, this last downtrend.
Yeah, more than 10 red candles, definitely. And actually, it's surprisingly, it's like you think it's a good buy or not. Let's activate the inverse chart because this is look at that. It's like an Nvidia chart. It's interesting to see to compare if you are biased with your opinion in terms of technical analysis, and sometimes reversing the chart only on trading view, of course, you can actually see the trends from the other angle. Okay, you imagine that the stock is going up. It's not the case, but imagine that the stock is going up. It's like based on this chart, it's like you can see other patterns, that maybe in the normal chance you wouldn't see.
Yeah, it's a very interesting exercise because, as you mentioned, some people are more biased to sell a stock or to see like the pessimistic side, and when you invert the chart, the the landscape changes, and the value is the same. It's the same, but in the opposite direction. In this case, when I see this chart, I have different ideas. When I place my technical analysis, my trading plan, etc., it will be the same because that's the important thing. When you have a good mindset in trading, but the thing right here is it can help you to have like a different picture and different landscape. But for this type of stocks, I think it's completely key because sometimes the movements in this type of stocks can blow your mind. When you see those minus 90 something percent, if you are not prepared for those, wow, they will completely freeze you.
Exactly, and the thing right here, look at the support level that we have in the last uptrend that uptrend or downtrend, it depends on how you see it. It tends to go to, I don't know if it's gonna do it, but the latest downtrend in this case, obviously we're watching it in reverse, maybe it goes to 1.26, which is the support level. Let's go to the normal channel to see things
Yeah, let's
properly.
go with that. I hope that you enjoyed this type of chart, the inverted, to see that if you appreciate it, we can do it in other videos also. And as you mentioned, that could be like a kind of support, sorry, resistance level. Yeah, I got the words in the opposite direction also. And as it happened, right here, this breakout was a very interesting one. From there, it got rejected again to the lower part, but from there, this movement happened, and we don't know exactly why. This clear upside the spike of more than, let's see the percentage of that candle, but it was more than 50% in one day. So it was a lot of bullish strength, but it got completely rejected, and now it seems like it's creating this type of resistance right here. So guys, what do you think about this? Do you think this will be like the continuance of this downtrend movement, and maybe we will break again these lower lows? Well, not again, to create a new lower low right here, breaking this one of 120 something, or will we see higher levels being this breakout? Because the situation with that red candle, I think it's key, and I want to know your opinion in the comments below.
Wow, look at the volume profile right here. The volume control actually is very close to the current level, which means that it should be trading around this level. But obviously, the worrisome thing is like if we lose the 1.70, there is no resistance afterwards. Look at there is no volume at all. That means that it could go sharply to 1.26 according to the use of this pattern.
All right, so I have here, I was researching while you were talking about that, the possible situation why that happened, that candle. And I think that they announced on January 27th, so this Monday, like they were changing or using the DeepSeek's R1 model for its holographic AI applications, aiming to enhance capabilities in holographical digital content, etc. But I don't know exactly if this is like the real situation, if these were rumors. So if you have more information about it, please share in the comments below. They also announced, a subscriber let us know this, like they were going to work with quantum technology, quantum computing, etc. But when I see this type of things, it's like I'm not saying that isn't true or not. I don't have the truth about it. But the thing is, when there is hype around it, the movements are very volatile, and a movement that goes up very fast can go as fast as in the same opposite direction, and the opposite is also true. So be careful with this type of scenarios, because the hype can be positive if you trade it well, but can be also very, very dangerous.
Yeah, you can clearly see in the last upturn of December 27. It's like it was completely insane. The stock went up, like, let's actually remember what the percentage, because more than 500% is completely insane. And then it was reversed. The thing here is like that move, that reversal normally happens when the fundamentals of the company are not good, which is the case. If we go to the stock and you see the latest financial incomes, we have negative, the latest ones in the last months, and the losses were minus 16 million. So obviously the company is in losses. And actually is the worst losses. We're talking about the worst losses in the company in the last financial results. So that's not positive at all. So when you see a reaction like this, like, whoa, super spike, it's time to buy, the reality comes in again, and then it got repaired, as you can clearly see in the chart.
So as usual, this is just our opinion based on what we can see right now in the chart. We don't know if it's going to go up or down. We don't have the truth about it. Honest traders, only honest opinions, and you can share your own opinion in the comments below, so we can learn all together from you also, as you have here this show about this stock in particular. And I want to paste this information. Can you see right there, Alvaro?
I can see it, yeah.
All right, so let's end the video with this company statement. HOLO stated that adopting DeepSeek R1 advancements, I have it over here, is an important step in the company's technology upgrade, and outline the specific plans for its integration into their holographic digital content generation and interaction system. So being this said, I want to ask you this question: how do you see this piece of news? Do you think this would be positive, negative, if this will be applied or not, if these are just rumors or they are just stating this in order to captivate the attention of investors and then they won't apply it? Or do you have that confidence in this company or not? We are not here to tell you the truth, but we can share all the information with you in Trading HD Honest Traders. Let us know in the comments your own opinions, and let's learn all together and grow this amazing community. Trading HD Honest Traders.
Let's go.